traders, I hope everyone had a good day. I apologize if I seem a little, out of it. It's been a big day today. I worked, came home, did a few things on the computer, not related to this. I had, invoices and that sort of stuff and fun stuff and paperwork. And then I went to athletics training, and then I did an altitude bike as well, coach's house, and now I'm here after dinner. Hey, up at 2:30, 4 to 12, athletics training. There's no excuse really. You just have to make this a part of your routine. And I understand people saying, demo account, but just open a small live account. This is what I'll be trading with in real life, in real money sense. So, but I'm just not ready yet. So I understand some people are like, Scott, it's pointless, it's boring. But trading sort of is boring. It's not exciting. That's not private jets. It's not, that's just not how it normally works. If you trade for a big hedge fund and you're ruthless and have no soul, then maybe if you're trading billions of dollars, making 1% a month, then that's good. Everyone's happy. But it's a ruthless industry, and I'm more just trading for myself, small guy, independent retail trader. And I just wanted to point out the pound US dollar. Now, I didn't end up taking this trade. I didn't really like how it was forming this candle, and it closed, and I didn't end up taking it. Normally, I would just set the pending order, but this candle was already forming, so I wanted to see how it would close, and then I would use that candle. And I missed that. I didn't like that, so I didn't. And obviously, I discussed the resistance, and I said I'd like it to trade above and then for a potential bounce. Now, this is, it's got a little bit of time to go. What I'll do is I'll insert indicators. I've got this one here, guys. The B clock spread. I'm gonna make this black. I'm really out of it. Holy crap! It's really bad idea what I'm doing. I'm not going to bed, but I just can't help myself, No. Okay. Alright, so that will close in. Let's zoom in on that. It's 1 minute. It's going to be really soon, actually. Okay, 1 hour and 25. That doesn't really make sense to me. Okay, 119 now. This is the 4-hour chart. Why are you being... Okay. Really, this candle should close very soon, but anyway. So we'll just... Yeah, so that's where it's at. Really, what I would like to see is it, engulf more of the body here, the bottom third. So this isn't actually that great because I can't really put my pending line. I'm not really comfortable putting the pending line above. This is still a no trade actually, guys. So no trade on the pound US dollar currently. Might be tomorrow. I will trade Thursday evenings. That's okay with me. And here we are. We're broken above the entry level. Honestly, I see a bounce up here, and it's just going to be a battle, this one. This is just where you've got to be patient. This is a good little chart to show you guys that trading is about patience and letting the trade do its thing. Okay. Other than that, that's it. The penny stock session is going to start soon. I hope everyone has a great day. Please, guys, if you want to know more, I'm not going to charge you. I will recommend the Naked Forex Now forum with Walter Peters. He's an exceptional teacher. He does sell courses. They're pretty reasonable. I think I paid $2,000 US, and it was extremely worthwhile. Some people can learn everything for free off YouTube. I, appreciate people that can do that. They're very talented. They just naturally can absorb information and learn things. But most people, 90+% people, are going to lose money trading Forex. So please be very careful. And these trades that I recommend, that I'm doing and everything, it's not advice. It's just for educational purposes as well. Okay, guys. So if I'm saying sell the USDCAD, it's more for you just to watch my journey. I wouldn't take the trades that I'm taking, even if they're, making me money. Because just because I'm making money out of this, potentially, doesn't mean you could. I mean, you might cut it here. You might have had enough, I'm not patient. So the impulsive, not impulsive, but the short time stuff, that's penny stocks. This is not short. This is for weeks at a time, potentially. Sometimes not. but I just set it and I don't interfere with it. Okay. Well, I try not to. Sometimes I exit early when it's profitable, but that's a bad habit I'm trying to get out of. Anyway, guys, thank you, and hope the rant was good. Sleep deprived rant. Hashtag sleep deprived rant. Bye.